Guys, we feel so boring because we have no girlfriend here. Without girlfriend, you cannot chill here. What are you doing here?
Wait, I'll talk. No. Okay, me.
Okay.
We're digging a big hole.
Yeah.
For the whole day, we've got a bunch of
For
people
the whole day, get it?
Yeah.
And we're digging a big
Today your class off.
Yeah. School's out,
Okay.
baby. Yeah. This is what we do in our spare time.
So everybody say hi.
Oh!
What is this, guys? Look like a room. Look like a room, man. You want to go here? If you have one girlfriend, you can stay. Nobody disturb you.
And you do chipping chapon.
Hi guys, I'm Sajjad and the owner of Sajjad World, and today I am at one of the most beautiful beaches in Sydney. The weather is perfect, the view is amazing, and I cannot wait to show you the around. So stay with me and enjoy the vibe, guys. Are you so excited?
Yes, bro. Here you go.
But
Oh my gosh.
just see my backside, guys. Now we are going to hear there this cliff blowing, guys. Blue beach, mind blowing. To be honest, I cannot expect. Today we have exam, that's why we have a lot of time, and we just decide we will we will go someplace. Then one brother recommend this place. To be honest, guys, this place is very mind blowing. The sea, I will show you, very close to ocean. The sea. I am so excited, guys, aren't you? Oh my goodness. The sea, guys. So now we are going to very close to the sea. Oh, mind blowing. Guys, I am so worried about that. I do not take any shots for swimming. But now I realize that I need to carry my shorts for swimming. Hey buddy, you want to swim in here?
Yeah, obviously.
Is it going to move? What are we doing?
What are you doing here?
Wait, I'll talk. No. Okay, me.
Okay.
We're digging a big hole.
Yeah.
For the whole day, we've got a bunch of
For
people
the whole day, get it?
Yeah.
And we're whole day.
Today your class off?
Yeah. School's out, baby. Yeah. This is what we do in our spare time.
So everybody say hi.
Is this going on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, brother.
What's the YouTube channel?
Okay, I will show you later after video. Guys, we feel so boring because we have no girlfriend here. Without girlfriend, you cannot chill here. Everybody is couple. If I will show you the sea, I cannot show you very close because they will be angry. Now we are trying to go this side, like here upside. This place is not dry, so make sure. What the hell, man? Hi guys. Hello buddy. Explore whole area. Someone may be doing fishing, and we will try to go close to them. Oh my goodness. What is this, guys? Look like a room. Look like a room, man. You want to go here? If you have one girlfriend, you can stay. Nobody disturb you.
And you do chipping chopong.
Go inside. Go. Just try, man. Why you do not try?
I have no
I just making video. That's why I cannot go. Otherwise, I will go. Water is so clean. If you want, you can drink. Otherwise, if you will be die, I have no responsibility. Just say yes. Bro, this place is, to be honest, it's not dry. Guys, let's see. My whole side is water and I am middle. Can you understand my feel now? Let's see, my friend. Oh my god. Guys, you can hear the wave sound. To be honest guys, mind blowing because of we are here after class. We feel so boring. That's why we say to our teacher, can we go in our home? That's why we give permission, and unfortunately we are here. To be honest, mind blowing, mind totally refreshed. So let's see the view. Show me my cameraman, my whole area, my all side in water, and we are here. We are standing in a storm. We are standing at the moment. I miss you a lot, my friend. You are doing class and we are explore. Okay. Guys, now time to go home because of after 2 hours later I have a job. So due to the fact I need to go my home after my lunch. I will go my shop. So yep guys, this video end here. I think that you will be very enjoy a lot. Just see last. Okay, bye bye guys.